Today's Saturday. Hey, my watch is dead. I did not charge that shit last night. It's 11:35 right now. Taking the BMW with me, taking y'all with me. There's supposed to be a car meet today. Hope today is a good day. You know what I'm saying? I've been vlogging, trying to get some content. And if y'all boys need some custom canvas for your car, tap in with me. I took a break from that, but I'm about to get back to that. I'm about to get back to all the good shit. I should have been got out. I'm running late. I'm always late, bro. Let me know if y'all be late too, or it's just me. But I'll be late to everywhere I'm going. Real shit. I might use a GoPro, I might not. I'm driving on back roads, so I don't think y'all want to see that. I might catch y'all back when I get to the spot. Catch y'all boys later! Oh nah, niggas active on side, what the fuck? Y'all don't have no gas. I was supposed to be running errands, and I run into all of these Mustangs. Ain't gonna lie, I'm following these niggas, bro, with no gas too. Really shit. I wanna know where the fuck they going. But there's a car meet somewhere, but I don't know where the fuck it's at. And I wanna go. And I'm so mad because my car, I didn't wash my car or anything, bro. I'll race anybody right now, but I don't got no gas. But it's mad calls, gang. Gang, I gotta go with these niggas, gang. Oh my God. This shit lit. What the fuck? I'm so tight because I don't know where the fuck they going. Hope it's not far. Nah, this Mustang is tough. That shit tough. These niggas going crazy. Got the cap cam. Oh my God, Beamer. Track Hawk. Oh my God, I wanna go! I wanna fucking go, I don't know where the fuck they going. This shit look lit, nigga. I feel like I'm in fucking, bro, I feel like I'm in fucking, what's that shit called? Nah, this shit is lit. My car dirty though, gang. Oh, I'm on ass. I'm going with niggas. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm going. Car is not loud like theirs. Bro, I got 55 miles in my car, bro. I hope they're not going far. I'm just praying they're not going far. They kind of is going towards my crib though right now, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God! This shit is fun! This shit is fun, nigga. Oh God. This shit look lit. Nigga, fuck an errand, nigga. Fuck running errands. I'm on these niggas' ass. Oh God. I'm about to walk around and look at cars. This is my car right here. Beamer. My shit 30, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was not playing for this. Corvette. This Mustang is tough. This shit clean. Damn, this shit's super clean, bro. Got a big turbo in it. Big turbo. The brace. The engine brace on top. This is tough. This is super tough. Damn. This shit clean too. Yeah, my car look good. M550 outside. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Nah, this look nice. It's that ride truck. If y'all know what I'm talking about. That's that ride truck in GTA. Yeah, I ain't got no bev. I don't got no bev. This is crazy. What the fuck is this? This should look like a little break in a couple seconds. It's a lot of Corvette. This Corvette is clean. It's a lot of Corvette, Mustangs. RB power. This will look tough. Wait, is this a Mustang or? I don't even know what this is, chat. I don't even know if it's a Mustang or it's an R34. It looks like an R34. That shit clean. Big turbo.
Yeah, it is.
Damn.
The Corvette.
Yeah. That's the Honda.
Thank you guys for coming out, man.
Nah, no problem.
I'm Sonny, by the way.
Nah, you good, brother.
How you doing? I'm
Yes,
actually
I'm doing good.
the founder of this. So
Okay,
and I
that's
know
good.
Jeremy and met him when I used to live in Greenwood back in the day. So
Yeah, I stay in.
So you can't.
Yeah.
I'm out in Coatesville, so I'm
Yes,
still
sir.
up in Coatesville. Can't remember back there. Then there was nothing back in the day, and all of a sudden it's like
Yeah, it's getting popular now.
Greenwood. I tell you, man, the suds. One thing I miss about Greenwood is the suds. Like
Okay.
going there during the weekend and stuff.
Okay.
You guys have a good drive here.
Yeah, we all drove here, a bunch of us. It was a good drive.
So you guys stayed for tonight for the
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, sir. We staying.
Yeah, last year we had about, they said somewhere between probably 10 to 15,000 people.
Damn.
So
I think it's gonna be bigger this year. So.
yeah, we appreciate everybody coming, man.
Yes, sir.
This is all for kids. This is free to the community.
Yep.
We want it for that next generation. We were little
Appreciate
and
it.
stuff like
We
this.
definitely appreciate it for sure.
Well, safe travels, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have
Thank
a
you
good
too.
day, man.
Yes, sir.
Take
You
care.
too. Y'all have a good day. This shit tough. Nah, what the fuck? How the fuck is this shit this low? Nah, son. This shit is dumb low. No way. How the fuck do you even get this shit that low? Nah, the tank, this shit hard. This shit tough. Shelby, the purple wheels, carbon fiber. This is tough. This your car, boss?
I'm sorry?
This your car?
Sure.
This is fire. I like your car.
Yeah, thank you, man. I love it.
Man, I would love this car too.
Take it out the tracks and go all over the country with it.
Yep. It's nice. I fuck with it. This is really good. What's good? What's good?
You can get in there if you want.
Nah, I'm good.
Just watch your head, man. That thing's not forgiving.
Yeah. I ain't never seen no shit like this before.
No?
Hell no.
This is a Bearcat. That's the brand name. Armored vehicle.
Fully armored?
Yep.
Damn.
Yeah, everything's solid.
We intend to do that.
Steel. Like half-inch steel.
So are you guys like regular police officers?
Yep.
Okay.
We are, but then we're all also SWAT
Okay.
We don't
SWAT.
have a full-time SWAT team.
Okay.
We all have our own jobs, and then when they need us, they call us.
Okay, that makes sense. This is
our main vehicle.
this is tough though.
We use it a lot. We use it all the time. Well, when we do something, it goes with it.
Okay.
But yeah.
What the fuck? How heavy this shit is. Bro, this is really armored, bro. What the fuck? Nah. This is tough. I know this shit is tough. This was cruising with us earlier. This is tough.
That's right by where our hotel is.
Yeah, they got a case area.
Where are we staying?
Down here?
No, in, oh, okay.
Damn.
These guys keep putting it on. Hotel, one of the hotels on the Line Road. And 65 is situated right dead next to where everything is. Like, way up to the...
Well, we're just walking around. This shit clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's still clean, even though it's dirty. It's just still clean. This engine bay is just empty. I know this bitch don't got no AC, nothing.
You guys are about ready to witness some redneck shit right here. Great job, Dan Walker. Way to hold that Civic in place. That car must be from Illinois. Look at all the smoke coming out of it.
They don't play this song all the time. That's not tired. Plastic.